unveiled the new collection, and you are wearing one of those. What would you like to say about the new collection?
It's awesome. It's awesome. I love the style. Best thing about Max is I also used to shop from here. And, I'm being genuine and I'm being serious about this because I used to shop. And the best thing is कि यहाँ पर आपको सारे latest trends and latest fashion मिलते हैं. The best part is the price. Which everyone will like. So yes, that's the best thing. Under one roof, you can shop for you, your chota bhai, your bada bhai, your sister, and your mother, your father. So that's the best part. And the collection is awesome. You can check these also in the store. And there are a lot of other things also which they offer like around 3,000 different styles, so that's a huge thing. So ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते मुझे ये नहीं पसंद है, मुझे वो नहीं पसंद है. You have style 3,000 more than 3,000 styles, so you can definitely choose. And I hope you will like it and you will love it.
Okay, now Shantanu, when we talk about fashion,
Yeah.
okay, or we can see the youth, the youngsters, you are a craze amongst them. So for you, being an inspiration as a youngster to the youngsters, what do you think is fashion for you? What are you more comfortable in?
Fashion for me is it's your personal style, I feel, and you have to feel comfortable in the skin, so that is very important. And I think everybody here, all those who are present out there, you guys look very fashionable, and I'm sure you will like Max collection to just maintain that fashion sense.
Any questions from the media fraternity? Anybody want to ask something? Yeah, you will get bites. Don't worry, you will get bites.
शांतनु अभी अभी झलक खत्म हुआ है एंड मतलब इतनी फैन फॉलोइंग है यहाँ पर मतलब एंजॉय कर रहे हैं इस फैन फॉलोइंग को और स्टारडम को.
सबसे पहले तो thank you guys for coming, especially. Thank you so much, means a lot. And मैं पहले भी बोलता हूँ fans नहीं थे, all are my well wishers and thank you for always being there for me and supporting me. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि stardom आ गया है भाई, ये तो हमारे लोग ही हैं.
So first of all, your association with Max.
This is the first brand I have been associated with, and I'm very happy because such में I used to shop from here to because they have this you have latest trends with great pricing. So I used to shop from here, and I'm very happy that they have approached me, and we could be associated. I could be associated with them. So it feels.
What do you like to say about the new collection of spring?
The collection is very good. I have personally checked the clothes, and I decided to wear this today. So they have really the great collection, the spring collection, and the colors are very nautical collection. So it's very nice. It's very refreshing, and generally, they keep changing the collections very fast, and they try to keep up with the trend and keep coming up with the latest fashion.
So you're taking this clothes with you?
I hope they're giving me. They better give me, obviously, yes. They're very generous that way.
What is your fashion statement?
My fashion statement is, for me, I just feel that whatever you're comfortable in and whatever represents you, you should wear that. So that is what I personally believe in, and you should feel comfortable. You should feel comfortable in this skin. So yeah.
So what are your upcoming projects?
Nothing that I can talk about right now. So, but yeah, I mean, might be very soon doing something. As of now, I have my short film which will be released very shortly.
So in future, you like to open the academy for a dance because many people are thinking about
I really wanted to, and for Jhalak also, जब मैं था तो I had said the same thing. If I win, I'll definitely try and put major amount of the winning amount in this academy thing. But it's just that it takes little time and money also. So I'm trying to, and I have my team also who's gonna.
So are you happy with the decision of the Jhalak?
Yeah, I
Because
mean,
Salman was little bit style on.
So for another purpose, I'll no questions on those things.
No problem. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the interview. Thank you.